welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I recreated this face chart from Milk 1422. I've recreated a bunch of their face charts. I just love them. I think they're so talented and they're just really fun to recreate. I really loved the way that this look turned out. So I'm going to quickly show you how you can recreate this for yourself if you wanted to wear something like this for Halloween, or if you're just interested on how I put this look together. As usual, everything that I'm going to be using in this video will be listed down below with a direct link to shop if you want to check out more information or pick them up for yourself. But to begin this look, I'm going to use my Morphe palette here and use the two lightest shades, applying this on all over to even out the skin tone. It's also lighter than my actual skin color, so it's going to help go with that demon devil type theme, really lightening and brightening up my skin. Then to set this cream product, I'm using my NYX palette here, using the two lightest shades again, and placing this all over. Then in that same palette, I'm using this cool tone contour shade and I'm placing this in my contour areas. So the sides of my nose, forehead, under my bottom lip, cheekbones, and jawline. I'm really going to chisel these out so it's going to give a lot more definition to my face. Again, this was inspired by a fellow Instagram artist. This is the inspiration here, but definitely check their page out. So moving on to the lip, I'm going to use a red lip liner from MAC to define and then fill in. Then right over top, I used my Tarte lip paint. This is such a beautiful color, and I also love the finish of these. They just stay on so well, and they're super pigmented, so this is perfect for this look. Then I'm using this black lip stain from Smashbox to help bring in that darker detail inspired by the face chart photo. Then I'm using a mixture of eyeshadow, face paint, and liquid eyeliner to start the skull looking side, the side basically with like the teeth. And for this I'm using some black and some red to start, and then I'm going to bring in the white to lighten and brighten more of like the teeth area. So I'm going to do the shading first and then bring in the lighter color after I have my placement. Then it's kind of just like a layering process. So again, I did the shadowing and then the lightening or brightening. And then I bring in more shadow to help define any areas like so. I love the concept of this look because it is like basically two looks in one. If you wanted to just do the same look on both sides, like a normal type makeup look, that's obviously up to you. But for the eye that has more red, I'm going to use my red eyeshadows, placing them in the inner corner and outer corner. I also blend this down on the lower lash line. Then for the eye detail, I'm using my black liquid eyeliner and just freehanding this to match as best as I can to the face chart. All right, before I move on to the other eye, I'm actually going to add my special effects, Halloween, costume, whatever type lenses. So these, I have a discount code for you guys if you are interested. Be sure to check that out down below if you want to grab these for your Halloween costume. I think contact lenses and wigs or like accessories always pull together a look, kind of give like the cherry on top. And then I just added my lashes. This is actually a set of two different lashes to get the look that I wanted. Then same thing, I'm going to move on to the other eye and add in that detail. I actually used a super skinny brush and face paint. Then I moved on to the lashes for this side, so I used two sets. I used a regular set on top and then the spider web type on the bottom, which I thought were really cool. Then I added my glitter. For the brows, you can see in that photo, they're super whimsical, spiky, I don't know, like gothic. I really don't even know how to describe them, but they were very theatrical, so I just used my liquid eyeliner. Then I just added in any more detail and shading that I felt was necessary to get it as close to the image as I could. And for the costume part, my necklace is actually two lace eye masks that I just tied and overlapped over each other. And then I added these horns that just tie on like a little headband. I thought these were super fun, perfect for the look, and again, just really pulled it all together. So that is everything on how I recreated this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you're still subscribed to my channel, and check out the description box for more information or direct links to shop, as well as discount codes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.